Hello again. In this video, we'll write our first code and talk to computer and do some great stuff. So to get started, I'm going to click on create new project as usual, and I will select. Let me select something more console application. I'm going to select console application. Sorry, and let's just create a console app. You can create many applications. You can create a standalone console. You can create a console app that will target Linux, Mac, Windows, and all that. So I'm going to create a console app and talk to my application. I'll click on next. Then I'm going to name this Hello World. And of course, my location folder will be producers projects, and I'll click next. Then .NET framework, you can select any framework that you like, but I have by default when you install Visual Studio 2022, you will have this .NET framework installed by default. So I'll continue and click on create. So let's wait for this guy to set up our project. Excellent. And like I showed you in our previous video, this is Hello World, and you can learn more about these templates from this website, but do not worry about that. I'll get rid of that. I just want to show you some of the things that we need to do, how to talk to our computer, and then we'll pick it up from there. All right, so I'm trying to say, hey guy, this is Hello World, welcome to the world of programming. And this console does write line. We are trying to print to the command prompt. You know, everything you are doing basically, you can actually run everything from the command prompt. This CMD, anything, you can go to the website through command prompt. You can run Chrome through command prompt. You can say chrome.exe if I'm right, but I need to navigate to that part. If I want to check this directory now, user.directory, I can say dir/p, and to show me all the directory. For instance, this directory now, C user and all that. If I come to File Explorer, I can easily go to my C drive. So instead of me going through this graphical user interface aspect, if I want to go to picture, if I want to go to any of those things, I can easily do that using command prompt. But thanks to Microsoft Windows, that you don't have to go through the stress of typing everything all by yourself. But you can use command to do virtually everything. That's why if you are dealing with Linux, you will learn how to use command a lot. It's basically command. You run everything by command. So let's talk to our computer now. So for me to talk to this computer, I'm going to write welcome, hello, welcome to the world of C#. Welcome to the world of C#. Excellent. So I can easily run my application now, and then we'll get started almost immediately. Don't worry, I'm going to explain everything that needs to, I'll explain everything step by step so that you can pick it up from there. Welcome to the world of C# and all that. And instead of, I can easily do something here. Let's add one or two numbers. So I'm going to say integer. I will explain all this much later. First number equals, let's make it 2543, and integer second number equals this, or let's make it 5 and this one to be 10. I can now say sum, integer sum equals first number plus second number. If you notice that as I'm typing it, Visual Studio is suggesting some of the things that I need to do, like do you want to write this? That is IntelliSense. I'm going to explain that extensively in our upcoming videos. And if I want to print this now, I can now say, let me come to this guy So I will explain everything about integer variables in the next video. The sum of, let me put this like this, explain this guy to you. The sum of first name and a bracket second name is the sum, which is sum. Excellent. All right, so this should work now. So the sum of this and our final result should be 15, and let's check it out. Excellent. So the sum of 10 and then 10 and 5 is 15. Awesome. And that is how to talk to a computer. So you must learn how to write your code in such a way that computer will understand, computer can interpret it and then convert it to, basically what we are doing is computer, this is compiler, it will compile the application and turn it to binary number for computer, for your processor, your Core i5, i7, i9, to be able to read it and execute the instruction given to it. And that is how everything works. So in the next video, I will explain step by step integer, variable, and every other thing that you need to know. Thank you.